Plop. So X combs. And then Primordial oils and spider streams. Yeah, this is going to take a long time. Hello everyone, my name is Vocalista, and welcome back to more Slime Rancher. As much as I've been doing farming off stream, this is taking a long time. I don't know when I can get wild honey. If I'm not mistaken, I think I need to get, I think there's a, let's see, this, I don't know if this is the only advanced pump there is. I don't know if there's something above that, maybe like a, I don't know, a professional pump or something, but at the moment, it's a random chance. So, I made a bunch of changes around the farm. The Tango Slimes, I haven't been eating their plorts really, so I actually took them off the farm. I moved these guys over here because these troublemakers, I had them here originally and I put the Tabby Slimes back there. But these troublemakers were lifting these guys out through this tiny gap. This little gap right here. They're lifting out the plorts and they were lifting out the slimes themselves. So I didn't want to risk anything, so I moved them over there, them over here, and so that gives me my stash of pink plorts. And inside our cave, I grabbed a round of. I sacrificed one of the fire slime areas and put some phosphor slimes down. Because we also do need phosphor plorts for a couple of the upgrades. So, and I've been using the phase lemons to feed them because, I mean, they're not really going to get much other use. Give me the points. Thank you. Oh, now I look at it. Let's put on a slow. And then you guys get your pieces here. Give you guys some more ashes. And I can let that stay there for a bit. These I think I do need to clean up so they make more. No, buddy. Whee! Bounce. Okay. Let's go completely drop off these phosphor plorts. And then I think I can make another advanced apiary. That's what it's called. Let's see. Yep. Wait, no, I do have pink plorts. Aha! Well, I just put half my fire plorts in there for no reason. Making an apiary. Does anything use fire plorts? Pink, tabby, rock, pink, tabby, rock. Pink, rock, puddle, tabby. Huh, nothing at the moment. Maybe it says me here? No, it does not. I have no clue where I'm gonna get, I have the hexacomb, so I just need more deep brine. So I need to make more, this one's easy, pink teleporter. Because I did find the strange diamond. I don't know indigonium yet. But we'll have to see. He's ready. Almost ready. Same with you. Do I have any more around? Let's see. Oh right, I literally just, what am I, do I have it? I literally just made it. Anyways, we're gonna have a buffer episode here. We are going to open a new part of the island, no, the farm, because we should have enough if we sell a little bit. And an easy way to do that is just sell like 10 of every plort. Doesn't matter the price. Or 8 in this case. Wait, I had 16 on hand? Because I think 15 usually is the threshold, and that will reset the, that'll cut your price in half from the thing. So I guess let's take, oh, you guys have a, oh nice, it filled up just in time for us. Cool, we can drop off these 10, and we can go give the, what do you call it? We can go sell 10. Radiation ports, I think I have full stock, so I'm waiting for a good day to sell. Yeah, pretty much have full stock. I don't feel like starting a new one. So, I think I'll sell 2. Okay, so we sell 10 rock, 10 radiation, and 10 bin. And then, I'm actually going to deposit these in the, back in the lab. Because there's no really use for it. And I think we're, what, like, maybe a bit over 100 off? Oh, you're done. Since you spit out that stuff. Turn these in. So I think I need 5,000 for the box. At least that's what I remember seeing yesterday. Not yesterday. 2 days ago when I was farming. The slime fossil. Oh, you're also. You know what? Laziness. Laziness. Get over here. I don't know whether this is laziness or efficiency. Get over here. That's it. Get over here. Ah. Oh. Oh, yeah. I wonder. Alright, you know what? Trick shot. Trick shot right now. Yo! Heck yeah! Ready? Take 2. No! Take 2. I am being an absolute goofball. Okay, you know what? I give up. I give up. Alright, let's drop these off. And let's just sell a couple of these ports. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Huh. I don't know where your dervish ports went. That's probably not a good sign, but oh well. Alright. So selling time. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Ow. Ow. What? Really, guys? I'm gonna plop it back in there so it can just get sucked up by the port collector. So now on this side of the map, let's go ahead and quickly feed our honey stars. And I know they have too much food. Got chickens, chickens, chickens. I heard them. I heard them. Where'd they go? Is it this side they had? Yep. Chickens! I heard you. You cannot hide from me. Okay. Top you guys off. You guys are my money makers. Close up. And let's go over here to the docks. Deep, deep down in the great blue sea, I saw 1,000 slimes smiling back at me. Well, I see Dr. Seuss may have had a hand in making this place. The duck! Oh, wait, this is actually perfect, because I can put the, I can bring puddle slimes down here when I get my teleporters. So this is actually a nice little place where you can get 4 more, farms. Let's see, because actually, and also, there's a good couple. So like, those two places, perfect for teleporters or market links. What do you call it? Oh, we'll read that in a second. Market links and words. Warp depots. That's what I call it. I don't see any treasure pods. I feel like there might be something up there. The view of the sea really reminds you of our greater purpose, Beatrix. The sea was the first great unknown, and then space, and then whatever's beyond all that. That need to see what's around the next corners in my bones. And since you're out here, I reckon it's in yours too. Though, I suppose you could also be out here because you like the fresh air, or you prefer the untamed beauty of this land. Or maybe it's because you're looking to leave something far behind you. Sure is the way to do it. Doesn't get much further than this. H. Yeah, that's honestly just really pretty. A little, get a little of that sky, them clouds. I'm taking a screenshot of this. Get my hands in the screenshot. All right, you know, I'm curious though. Oh, okay. Is this a dumb idea? Probably. Am I doing it? Yep. Whee! Wait, okay, we're good. Wait. Okay. Just to be absolute sure, we're gonna save stamina. What is that over there? Okay, there's nothing up here. That's the teleport. Oh, is that the teleport over to that island? Is that that island? Yeah, it is. Okay. Really up? Yeah. Oh, this is a fun little area. I wonder if there's a... Ooh, refinery link allows you to remotely deposit stuff into the refinery. Ooh, that's actually perfect. Is there anything in here? No, I can just get water. Okay, well, enough lollygagging. We're going to... I think I'm gonna meet you guys over in the... Well, after I give my chickens to my slimes. I almost forgot what game I was playing. You can stay in there. Yeah. I'm gonna go give all these chickens to the slimes, and then I will meet you guys back. You can stay there over the show. I'm probably gonna meet you guys back in the last desert, because we're going to hunt down that mosaic slime that we saw 2 episodes ago at this point. Because I have some silver parsnips for it, and I am interested in trading in a very unfortunately painful way for the slime. Take that as you will. Alright, well, I'll be right back. Okay, I know I said I was gonna see you guys in the last desert, but I just got lava dust. Oh, this is actual, like, definitely needed this stuff. I can make a couple of things. I think I might be able to make a couple things now. I'm stumbling over my words. Ah. Boop. I said boop. Thank you. Okay, hold on. I want to check what we're looking at. Okay, so no honey thing yet. Utilities. So any hunter ports. I'm gonna have to go back to the wilds soon. can make the warp depots. I guess I'd make it the blue ones. A set of 2 gadgets. Okay. Okay, this changes the game. Okay, so let me set up. I want to set it up in a spot where it's kind of not going to get messed up by the other slimes. I kind of want it close by. So if I do it here, actually. The gadget is installed permanently until demolished. Oh, I can rotate you. Okay, so I can turn it away, like, kind of this way, so it goes towards the thing. Okay. Okay, so then, where should I put the other one? The other one I want to say should go... Do I put it in the main farm here, so I can... Because of all the, Well, I'm gonna eventually set up all, like, warp depots through all places. So I think priority is going to be... It's actually a hard decision. It's not gonna be the cave first, because that's right next to it. Maybe not this, because it's right... You know what? We're gonna put the first depot actually down in the docks. Because I think before the next time I record, I'm gonna move a couple farms down here. That way. And I'm gonna put it like right here. Warp tech. And so, to demolishing gadget. Okay. And so, just to test it. Oh, okay. So basically, it's an extra slot. Because I put it in here, so instead of only being able to transfer 4 different types of things at once, I can transfer 5. That's not as much as I was thinking. So I would probably have to put like 2 warp depots down there to make it effective. It's a little bit unfortunate, honestly. I thought it was just gonna like spit it out at the other end for me. Also take these. Any royal jelly? Neat. Pew. Nice. Okay. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. So, yeah. Okay, so it's not as great as I hoped. That's a bit of a bummer. But I guess that's why they give me so many different types. Or like colors. Because there's the pink one, this butterscotch one, the gray one, and blue. So I guess they do that so it's like you have 4... Effectively, you have 8 slots if you are in the right spot. Which, yeah, I guess makes sense. Okay. Well, this time, I am going to meet you guys back over in the Blast Desert. So I will be right back. After I figure out what you two have. I'm getting very sidetracked. Story of my life, actually, honestly. I think you can really... You're like, I'm gonna go do this, but then you keep getting sidetracked. But it's not, like, it's not even anything bad. It's just, it's something that you also needed to do anyways, but then you're like, You come back and you go, okay, I'm gonna go back and do this. But then you still get sidetracked. I don't know, maybe I'm just rambling. Anyways, I'll be right back. Wasn't it? Haha, I see you. I see you. That should be enough. It's not enough. I died. Somehow I'm standing? Okay, can we get on this geometry? Ah! Okay, okay. Take two. Electric boogaloo. I think I'm supposed to go from up here. If I fly over here, much more feasible. There we go. Get a little bit of stamina back. As you can see along the way, I traded out my phase lemons and got some extra quantum ports. Oh, you're guarding something. Hi, buddy. That's water. Sorry. Sorry, I just thought you were thirsty. Here, you thirsty, buddy? There you go. There you go. All right. Here's some food. I only need 25. Mosaic slimes. 2. Ooh, spiral string. Yeah. You guys go down there. Wax and silver parsnips for all of you. Yippee! Okay. Ow. Okay, okay. God, I'm sorry I shot you guys down there. You guys are having more fun down there anyways, okay? Why did you have to blow me up? Oh dear. Oh. You alright, dude? Eh, they're fine. Okay, what's back here then? Feels like there's something. Oh, there's a purple treasure pod. Okay, so there's that. And then this goes up. So this is the cliff side of the main area. We can go around. There's another purple. How do I get up there? I want to get up there somehow. But I don't think the game will let me. I think... Oh, and there's... Oh my goodness. This is just purple treasure pod collection. The game. Let me try flying from here. Okay. I don't even think there's anything up there. Get on this ledge. I said I can get on this ledge. Oh, okay, okay. And then we can go up here. I'm on this. And jump on. No. Geometry doesn't like that. No, doesn't like that either. Here? No. Okay. So there's something wrong. Yeah, I could just go up on that side. I really need to get the treasure pod unlockers unlocked. No pun intended. That might just be a beacon up there. And I'm like so curious now. I'm literally so invested in trying to figure out if I can parkour my way up there and trick out the game's geometry. I don't think it'll let me. Oh? Wait. Pause. We can recover stamina here, but I don't know if I can get any height. Oh god, computer, work with me, buddy. No, there's no place to, like, jump. Oh, I'm gonna fall. Okay. Well, unfortunate. However, we did get that guy. So you know what? Looking at the pillar that I will one day attempt to get to, I think we're gonna end it off there. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe. You know, do what you want to do. I can't control you. So you should totally do it. I'm joking. You don't need to do anything. I can't control you, but I would love it. Anyways, as the world starts to burn, yeah, I think that's gonna do it for us. I'm gonna try to have more apiaries going and see if I can get lucky on that honey for the drones and just farm some extra stuff before the next video. So yeah, I've got nothing else. So oh dear. Well, I'm out.